In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Yahoo Mail using your computer. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, the process is quite straightforward, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. This can be any one you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to navigate to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. To do this, type login.yahoo.com into the address bar at the top of your browser window and press enter. This will take you directly to the login page where you can access your Yahoo Mail account. Now that you're on the login page, you'll notice a field prompting you to enter your username. This username is the email address associated with your Yahoo account. Go ahead and type your username into this field. If you've logged into Yahoo Mail from this browser before, your email might automatically appear, making things a bit faster. But if not, be sure to carefully type your full email address to ensure it's correct. Once you've confirmed that your email is accurate, look for the Next button on the screen and click it. This step is crucial as it confirms your username and moves you forward to the password entry screen. Double-check your email for any typos before clicking to avoid any issues later on. After you hit Next, you'll be redirected to the password entry screen. Here, you'll need to enter the password associated with your Yahoo account. Remember to type it meticulously, paying close attention to capitalization and special characters, as passwords are case-sensitive. Taking your time here can help prevent any login hiccups. Once your password is entered correctly, you'll see another Next button. Go ahead and click it. This will process your login credentials. If everything you've entered is correct, you'll shortly be granted access to your Yahoo Mail inbox. And just like that, you're logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Now, you're free to read, compose, and manage your emails with ease. It's simple once you know how. If you ever find yourself forgetting your password, don't worry. Yahoo provides options to recover or reset your account credentials, ensuring that you can regain access without too much hassle. That wraps up our guide on logging into Yahoo Mail using your computer. It's been a pleasure walking you through this process. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.